everyone, AJ here. Thank you so much for choosing to hang out with me today. So in today's video, we will be unboxing two big boxes from FabFitFun. I'm always so excited to unbox these goodies because I only get these 3 times a year. So if you love unboxing, you love makeup, you love skincare, you love home decor, then please keep on watching. So before we begin, if you haven't hit that subscribe button, which I don't know the reason why you haven't, please hit that subscribe and that notification bell button. And don't forget to smash that like button as well if you love unboxing videos. So first we will be unboxing this heavy and big box. This is actually like a makeup fridge. This is one of the things that I got before from FabFitFun. However, I forgot to unbox it, so it's been sitting in my walk-in closet for so long. So I am so excited to unbox this because we are getting into summer and I want to put all my skincare goodies in here and have that cold and satisfying feeling while putting on my skincare. So here is the big box. I'm just gonna get a scissor and we're gonna unbox. Alright. Oh my gosh, it's pink! Yes! So this is what I got. It is a makeup fridge. This is so cute! I can't wait. So this makeup fridge I can even put at the back where I have all the good stuff at the back. And this matches with my YouTube branding because my YouTube branding is currently pink and sky blue. Oh, this is so cutie! I love it. So, I was supposed to get a light color, but this is dark pink. Oh. So it says it doesn't only work as a cooler, but it also works as a warmer. That's so cool. So this is something that I'm not only looking forward to use at home, but I'm also looking forward to use this when I'm going camping. Like, this is the fridge that you can actually bring with you anywhere. This is spacious because this is long on this side, although it is very tiny like this. Like, this is my hand if you compare it. So that's like 2 times the size of my hand. But if I open it, this is what it looks like on the inside. There are 2 stories. And then there is also like a shelf here. So if you want me to create a video on what products am I gonna put here in my makeup fridge, then please comment down below because I think I'm gonna be storing like my favorite skincare products in here and I cannot wait. Yeah, this is so cool. So the next box right here is also pretty big. And we are going to be unboxing this next. This actually has my FabFitFun box for summer 2020. I'm not an annual member. I am actually a seasonal member. So I don't get to pick like all of the products that are in here. So I was able to pick at least 3 out of the products that are in here. So I'm so excited to finally open this up. So let's just open it. Yes. Upside down. Okay, there you go. Alright. Okay, sorry, so much paper. I'm such a mess. So I actually got an add-on, and this is from Kate Spade. I got Kate Spade's lunch tote. So I don't have a lunch tote yet, that's why I picked this up. So I am so excited to use this when I go back to work. Oh, this is so cute and it's polka dots. Look at that. This is so nice. This is not even fabric, so it's so easy to wash like this kind of material because you can just wipe it. Like, you don't even have to pop this on the washing machine. So it says here it's out to lunch. That is so cute. And this is from Kate Spade. And I really like the gold details. So this is what it looks like on the inside. It's pretty spacious. I love it. Yeah, I think I got this for 14 USD, and knowing how expensive Kate Spade is, I don't regret purchasing this one. So now I finally have a cute lunch tote that I don't mind carrying like outside my purse. Alright, so let's move on to the actual box, which I am so excited because I did get like a few stuff in here that I cannot wait to unbox and put like in my background right there. Ta-da! Okay, so I see the stuff that I actually picked. So this is the booklet again. I put it down so you can see me instead of the box like laying over here. So I'm just opening up this brochure that they gave us so I can actually check the prices. So the very first thing that I see is this Kate Somerville Goat Milk Moisturizing Cream. I have been looking forward to getting this because it says that it is for eczema, and I do have eczema like behind my ear and my other areas of my body. So I cannot wait to use this on my face because I'm pretty sure this is gonna be nourishing. Oh, that's like very watery. I haven't seen a moisturizer like this before. Yeah, I don't know if you guys can see. Like, I'm so scared to spill this, but this is very, wow. And it doesn't have like a very strong scent. I don't like goat scent, like the scent of goat cheese and goat milk. Like, I don't find it appetizing, but this doesn't have a very strong scent. So I am so excited to use this, and it comes with this purple box and the purple tub, and it is so cute. So this actually retails for $65, and this already paid for my box. I paid for my box for $49.99 plus the $8 shipping to Canada. This is not bad. I love this. Aww. And the next product that I see here is this silk satin pillow sleeve. This is what it looks like. I'm actually already using a satin pillowcase, but I don't mind getting another one in a different color because this is gray and this is so nice. So for this selection, only the annual members can choose. So I didn't pick this one, but I really appreciate that they actually gave me this one because I'm not really looking forward to getting a toner or the ice roller, although I wouldn't mind getting the ice roller as well. But this one is pretty cute and this is so soft. I love it. So I'm so excited to use this and change my pillowcase because currently I have like a white pillowcase. Oh my god, you guys, I got what I've been wanting. Yes, I can actually put them behind me. So this is the Isaac Mizrahi. Isaac Mizrahi Loves XO Sienna. So this is a hand dip vase which costs 28 USD. And again, this is not something that I picked. This is only for annual members to pick, but I really like that they gave me this one because I want to get this one as well. Oh my god, this is so nice. This is so cute. Oh wow. I'm gonna put it behind so you can probably see this. Like in my next videos, you will see this behind me. This is so cute. I don't know what you guys think, but this is really nice. I like getting home decor in my boxes because I never buy these. I'm probably gonna put like flowers in here as well. So I really like that I got this in the box because I have been wanting to get this. And then the next thing that I see here, oh, this is probably the travel, like the passport holder from Michael Kors. Yes. So this is a passport holder from Michael Kors that I got in my box, and this retails for 78 US dollars. So I actually didn't pick this one. If I have to choose, I would have picked the cooler bag, which is in the shade yellow. That one is really, really nice. But then when I was picking this and I was with my boyfriend, he actually wanted me to get this for him. And I think I'm going to be giving this out to him because he's going to go traveling soon with his friends. So this is a pretty neat passport holder. Like, there are so many pockets in here. You can actually put like all your cards in here just so you can just use and bring and take this out with you. This is nice. Can I just have this, AJ? So another product that I see here that I did pick up myself is this Maison Home Scent Collection Solstice Diffuser from Pottery Barn. So I am so excited to own this one and put it in my background because this is a diffuser. So it's gonna make my room smelling good, but it's also a good decor. So scared. Step 1 done. So it's gonna be in the scents of bergamot, geranium, and vetiver, which I haven't smelled before. And these are the sticks that you put inside the jar. Oh my gosh, this is beautiful. This is beautiful, you guys. Yeah, so this is the jar that you use, and then you just put this and put on like the scent So this is a very good amount. And I am so excited to finally put this at the back and just have this in my background and make my room smelling good. But then this only retails for 59 USD. But this is so cute. I couldn't pass with this one. So I picked this up and I'm so excited to just like have this probably in this side and then the pink one on that side. So isn't it exciting getting to decor pieces in my FabFitFun? I love this. Even though I'm not getting like a lot of skincare products this time, I'm definitely enjoying this because I definitely pick up too much skincare products and like a lot of makeup already on my Yes Style haul and my Sephora haul. So if you haven't watched that, then go ahead and watch those as well. And yeah, I really like these. So we're down to the last 3 pieces that actually FabFitFun picked for me. So the first thing I see here is a Unibrow Universal Eyebrow Pencil from Winky Lux. So I'm not going to be using this, guys, because I want to give this in a giveaway too in the future. Yeah, it's a nice color that anyone can use. And it comes with a spoolie. So, and it's in gold. This is so cute. I love it. So I'm actually using like a ton of products right now with regards to eyebrows. So I'm gonna be giving this in a giveaway. So please stay tuned for a giveaway soon. And the next product I see here is actually one thing that I'm also looking forward to receiving, which is a FabFitFun pick. And this is a makeup drop hybrid silicone pad blending sponge. Yeah, so there is silicone in this side, which means that if you want to blend your foundation and you don't want your sponge to absorb it, you can actually use the silicone side. And then the other side is the normal sponge. So I'm so excited to try this. This is so cute and I love that it's dual purpose. So the last product that I see here in my FabFitFun box is a hand cream. I love getting hand creams in my FabFitFun box. And this is not yet open, so I'm probably gonna pass it on to you guys because this is in coconut verbena and it's infused with shea butter, macadamia seed oil, and argan oil. Amazing, I love it. Macadamia oil and shea butter are actually very, very nourishing, and it comes with argan oil as well. So I'll probably pass it on to a giveaway soon. So please stay tuned and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. So that is it for the entire unboxing of my FabFitFun. I really love this box, you guys. I got like home decor, I did get a skincare, I did get a bit of makeup that I think I'm gonna be giving in a giveaway, like I said. So overall, just adding it all up, I got a value of 314 US dollars. So that is not bad considering I only paid $49.99 for all of these products. And just, you know, like looking at this Michael Kors passport holder, I can finally give a gift to my boyfriend without even having to actually splurge with a passport holder from Michael Kors. So I really like this. So if you haven't subscribed, don't forget to hit that subscribe and that notification bell button. And don't forget to smash that like button as well if you love unboxing videos like this. Again, thank you for sticking until the end, and see you in my next video. Cleanup time.